Hello.
जी भैया।
Okay. So we will start our next part of NDVI, NDWI, and NDBI of our specific time period year of 2002. Okay.
जी
Okay. So we use same data set. Okay. We use same data set Landsat 7 because this Landsat 7 data set availability year of 1999 to year of 2023. Okay. So we use a Landsat 7 data set for year of 2002. Okay.
जी
So we already same band combination. Lancet same band combination B1 for blue, green for B1 for blue, green for 2, band 2, B3 indicate the red band, B4 indicate the near infrared band. Okay.
स्क्रीन देखতেছি না।
Oh, sorry. Okay, I simply share my screen now. Can you see my screen?
जी
Okay. So we discuss about Landsat 7 dataset collection to tier 1 top atmospheric effects. Okay. So band indicate the blue band indicate the B1, green band indicate the B2, red
जी
band indicate B3, near
जी
infrared band indicate B4, short wave infrared one indicate the B5. Okay. So we use this band combination image properties and construct our specific code. Okay. So we uh, already I put here for your interested area NDVI code. Okay, so we select same procedure. We filter our filter bound function, filter metadata, then a filter date function. We use filter date function. We select our specific time period year of 2002, right? 1st
जी
January to 31 December. Then we use median function, and then we clip function for clip our region of interest. Okay. Then we select NDVI formula. This NDVI formula we already know near infrared band minus red band, then divided by near infrared plus red band. Okay. So this is our equation. We put here this band name. Band 4 indicates the near infrared, and band band 3 indicate the red. Okay. Band 3
जी
indicate the red for NDVI. Then we construct our NDVI formula. Near infrared band, that means B4 subtract B3, then use divide function, then use B4 plus B3. Okay. B3 B plus B3. Okay. B4 plus B3. Okay. This is
जी
our NDVI code, NDVI construct formula. Then we show as a map dot flower. Yeah, we use same procedure for NDWI. Green minus near infrared band. Green band is stored in the in B2. Okay, from this data set B2 or the Landsat 7. Okay, B2 green band B2. Then we use B4 near infrared band. Okay, near infrared band already we put here one line, but we again construct it here as a same variable name NIR. Okay. So this is our near infrared band name. Then we select NDWI formula. We construct here. Okay. A green band subtract near band divided by green band addition near band. Okay. Rename
जी
as a layer as a NDWI. Then we use memory layer and with our specific color plated for minimum value minus 1 to maximum value positive 1. Okay. So then we construct NDBI formula. SWI short wave infrared minus near infrared divided by short wave infrared plus near infrared. Okay.
जी
Then we put here this band indicated band short wave infrared band is we use B5. Okay.
जी
Then we use near infrared band B4. Okay. So now we use Now we use this formula for NDVI to construct this formula. Okay, so then we show as a map dot add layer, function. Layer use the same procedure. We use maximum value, minimum value, and color flattened for better looking and view. Then the center of the on same procedure we use export function. Okay, same procedure export function for NDVI, NDWI, and NDBI. And now image is our NDVI. The description we set ND Hathazari year of 2002 NDBI. Okay, so this
जी
folder name we set NDVI Hathazari year of 2002. Okay, so same procedure we use here. Then Hathazari year of 2002 NDWI. Then we select folder name. This same folder name we use here. Okay, for this PDF file stored in our one folder in our Google Drive. Okay, so then we use NDBI. Then we select the description name. So same we use same procedure we select. Okay, all this our code is ready for extract our tip images. Okay, so in here,
টিপ ইমেজের জন্য কি পুরোটা সিলেক্ট করতে হবে ভাইয়া?
so now we export this tip file. Okay, so now we click to the run button. Then our task table will be running. Same for previous video. uh, Already we show here Hatazari year of 2002 NDVI, 2002 NDWI, 2002 NDBI ready for run. Okay, so when we see our map layer, map interactive view, we use our uh, specific time period, NDVI. This is NDVI. Okay, this is
জি
NDVI. This is NDWI. This is NDWI. Okay, so this is NDVI. There all layer available here. NDVI name, NDVI, NDWI, and NDVI. Okay, so now we export it. Okay, when we click to the task will be running. Now same procedure we click to the run for NDVI year of 2002. Wait a minute. Okay, one is running for exporting in your Google Drive. Another one we click to the run. Okay, last one we click to the run for exporting in our Google Drive as a TIFF format in a specific folder. Our folder name is Hathazari year of 2002. Okay, okay, all are running. Take give us some time for finally exporting and show in a tick mark. Uh, okay.